Hey guys, it's Robbie here, and this is FrekiFitWolf. So, if you guys remember, there used to be this thing called Tag Tuesday. You all remember because everybody else is doing them, and I slacked off and stopped doing them. And so therefore, Sandy stopped tagging me in them because why keep tagging me if I wasn't going to do them? Makes sense. Either way, I'm hungry today, and I already used more calories than I want to. So, I'm using this video as a distraction so that I can not eat until after the video, and then it'll be a proper time to use the rest of my calories. All right, second of all, or third of all, this is day 3, or week 1 of doing makeup. Not day 3, I don't know where that came from. So don't judge too harshly. I'm learning. All right, so tag video. I do not know who to tag. I've been out of the loop on these tags for so long that I don't know who does them, who doesn't, who likes them, who hates them. And Harley looks a little creepy over here, so I'm just gonna put her on the floor. I got her out because I'm planning a blacklight party, and she glows in the dark, which is creepy when you're just seeing the face and this stuff. But with the blacklight, it's even creepier. So I don't know if I'm gonna actually use her for the blacklight party. But yeah, either way, let's not have her staring. But yeah, so as far as who to tag, I don't know. If Adventures of Deanna still would be interested in a tag video, I'm tagging her. Yeah. All right, so this tag video is, it's called Summer Tag. So it's basically a bunch of either ors. Actually, they're all either ors, where you pick between one thing or another, and they're all related to summer. And so the first question is ice cream or popsicles? For me, this depends on where I am. If I'm indoors, like my house, ice cream. But if I'm outside, say at a beach or a swimming pool or anywhere where I'm outside and actively hot, then I'd want a popsicle or preferably a snow cone. I drove by a snow cone truck today. I don't know if they do this everywhere, but here they park at certain spots, like certain parking lots. Sometimes they'll actually make it a whole little semi-permanent thing that they have there. But I almost pulled over and got one because it is very hot outside. Okay, question number 2. A tropical trip or a camping trip? I've only ever camped once, and I've never done a tropical thing. Tropical to me sounds hot and muggy, but during summer, camping sounds hot and muggy. So I guess I'd go more tropical trip because chances are you're staying at a resort. I actually wouldn't mind doing the camping one if I could have a cabin with air conditioning and a swimming pool. So basically a resort. Yeah. All right, number 3, bikini or one piece? Maybe one day I would put on a bikini. I doubt it. But so I would say one piece, especially for right now. And honestly, guys, y'all, I prefer naked. Like, you guys learned this last year. I've gone to a couple of naked campgrounds and are clothing optional. And swimming without the restrictions is fantastic. It's not like a sexy thing or a perverted thing or whatever. It's just freeing, being nude in water. I don't know what it is, but it feels amazing. But if I had to choose between these two, a one piece, typically swim trunks. Who knows if maybe one day on my journey I'll decide that I want to wear like a woman's swimsuit. Don't know. Cross that bridge when it comes to it. Typically that shows more thigh, and with it creased right there, that really accentuates up out of my thighs, or how large and cottage cheesy my thighs are. I shouldn't say bad. Not that those descriptive terms are better, but still. Okay, number 5, summer reading or summer playlist. I'm still so shocked at myself. As a kid, always summer reading. Always had my head in a book. Now it's very hard for me to concentrate if I try to sit down and read. So I've been doing audiobooks. So I guess I could say that as summer reading. But also there's something about doing a summer playlist while you're driving. Like going, say, to a campground where you're going to swim in the nude. If you're driving and, you know, the sun's a certain way, the temperature's just right, you have that summer music playing that just kind of gets you amped up, gets you excited to go. There's something about that is so much fun. And this is from somebody that I don't have a huge obsession with music. So it's hard for me to pick, is long story short. I guess I would choose a summer playlist, because the way my life is going, that's used a little bit more often than reading. Okay, number 6, straw bag or straw hat. Thank goodness I watched Sandy's video like completely before doing this, because normally I'll wait because I don't want any answers influenced. But I don't know what a straw bag is. So I was like, what? And they still didn't fully explain. And I didn't bother looking it up. So I'm going to say straw hat, though that still sounds itchy. I don't like straw. Only straw I want if it's like hay on a Halloween haunted hayride or something like that. But if I had to choose, I guess it would be, well, actually I change it. I choose the bag, because then it's not on my head getting me hot or itchy, and I can carry stuff. I always carry a bag with me anyway, so might as well make it a straw bag for summertime. And I'm wearing overalls right now, so it kind of fits, you know, that whole redneck feel. Number 7, sandals or barefoot. Again, very weird. As a kid, you never saw me with shoes. Like, granted, at home, like right now I'm barefooted. If I'm indoors, I'm always shoeless. But as a kid, even outside, and that was, you know, living in the city, playing in the alley, surprised I didn't cut up my feet, I would always want to be shoeless. But as an adult, my feet, they're a little sensitive. So I do not actually want to be barefoot now. So I would definitely say sandals. Number 8, outdoor movie or outdoor concert. Again, thinking of summertime and how much I hate heat, I would say movie, because one, movies in the pool. I don't know if you've ever done that, if that's a thing that's common, but it's really nice where you're like, everybody's just hanging out in the pool or by the pool and they have a projector playing a movie on the wall. That's perfect for summertime. And if you're not, at least you're able to be still. If you're at a concert, like, unless it's like, you know, orchestra concert where you're sitting still like this the whole time, you're typically wanting to dance a little bit, want to move around a little bit, maybe jump in the mosh pit, whatever kind of concert it is you're talking about. And that would make me more hot. So I would not choose that. I choose outdoor movie. All right, so that is all the questions. Short and sweet. Got this video done in 7 minutes. Wow, that is quick for me, because normally I'm very, very long-winded in these things. But it also has been like 4 or 5 months since I have done a video. So give me a minute. I'll get talking extra again soon. But yeah, so again, I'm thanking Sandy for tagging me. She didn't officially, but she did in the comments, and she always does. So I'm officially thanking Sandy and Trials of a Long-Haired Girl for coming up with the tags. And I'm going to tag Adventures of Deanna. So that's that. And if anybody else wants to do tags, like I said, it's been so long, I'm out of the loop. Let me know, and I can either tag you later about this video, or next tag video that I do, I'll make sure to tag you. Either way, let me know, and I will talk to you guys later. Like, comment, subscribe.